Guys, I think this will be the next project to get done here. The fence is all rusted here. You can't even see the fence, can you? But, the problem is here, you can't grow nothing here. There's just too many trees. It's always shade, and it's really not a good area to grow anything. Let's get it done. Hey guys, so this is going to be a tough job here. All this dirt has to be shoveled out. What I'm going to do is start taking apart from the outside here, from the gate. I'm going to work my way around like this, and so I could get in here with the shovel and start shoveling this stuff out of here. Today we're using electric drill, so I'm tired of buying new batteries for my DeWalt. 100 something a piece of Burr batteries, crazy. But I got my magnet. It's going to be for all the screws and nails and stuff that's in here. Just before we get started here, guys, this is all pieced together. If you can see down there, that's one piece of wood, and there's two screws holding it in place. Another piece of wood and another piece of wood all the way down. So there's going to be a bunch of pieces of wood. I'm pretty sure it's going to be rotted on this side right here, so I can still cut the tops and make some use out of some of this wood instead of just trashing it all. But alright, let's get to work. Those two. To get this job done, I am using a pair of snips. Cuts through steel, cuts through metal. A lot of you guys know what this is anyway. It's a pair of snips. Tacks and stuff like that I gotta get out. See if we can do that. Basically I'm just cutting this chicken wire, then I'll pull it out like that. So I cut the basin, yank it out. It's gonna take a while. I just want to show you what I'm doing, so you have an idea of the work involved in this, in doing this project here. Just trying to pull this through and get as much done as I can. Got leaves in the way and stuff like that, but I'm gonna throw it about there. Get that one too. Another one here. It's just one of those projects. It's gonna take some time. I'm not gonna bore you with all that, but this part of the job at hand. So anyway, I'm gonna go back to work and get this done. See how rotted that is? It's really kind of rotted right there. But what I'm going to do, guys, is take the zoom out here. Finish taking all the screws out of here.